In this video, I'll show you how to use VidiQ. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to have this VidIQ extension installed on your Chrome browser, right? If you don't have that, I'll be attaching this in this video description, right? I'll be attaching the link in this video description. So I would suggest you get started with this recommended keyword research planner, right? So this is how you can use vidIQ. At first, this tool on this vidIQ platform, you can use this tool to generate video ideas. Let's say I can come on here and type in how to make money, right? How to make money, how to make money. Once I'm done, I'll click on this generate. I'll be displayed with some video ideas, right? So this is the title, make money fast in 2024. So this is the description. You want to know the secret to making money fast in 2024. In this video, we'll share the ultimate guide. So this is it. So these are the tags. These are some recommended tags for me. The thumbnail background. I'm about to share the quickest and easiest way to make. So this is the hook. These are the outlines, right? So you can still generate script for this. I'll wait for it to load a bit. So this is basically okay. This the thumbnail background, right? So this is it. So this is the video script for this, and this is the voiceover. Like really amazing, like really lovely, I swear, really lovely. So this is how you can use this tool, like this option only, the video idea generation option, right? You can still scroll up. Like this is really lovely. This is lovely. Then this is the optimization tool. I can click on this. These are my videos I've uploaded to this channel. So there are lots of them. I'm still building this channel gradually, and yeah, I know with time this channel will do some good numbers, right? So all these videos basically are organic videos from Google search, from all this, right? So just give it small time and you see this channel grow wonderfully, right? It would be lovely, it would be nice, it would be sweet, it would be amazing, fantastic, right? A whole lot of them. So if we come over to this keyword, I've shown you guys how you can do some keyword research, right? I can still share my thoughts on that again. Let's say make money online. I can come on here, search for make money online, make money online. I'll tap this enter. Then from this my search make money online, you can see some related keywords, right? But before then, I want to know the questions that people are asking. I'll click on this. So this is what you should make videos about: how to make money online. It has 1 million search volume every month. How to make money online as a teenager, 57k. How to make money online without 37k, right? If I check this related keyword, you can see side hustle has 124k. So these are some basic things you should know. If you'd love to know more about this, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I would still make a video about that, right? So let us get to it. This is the outlier. This is a new feature added. You can discover winning ideas to inspire your next video. So these are some video recommendations, right? For me that is into this how to niche, these are some videos that I can clearly and calmly work on, right? For my audience, for you guys watching this video, right? So this is the idea tab. You can come on here and get some personalized ideas, right? So these are some saved ideas. If I've saved some ideas, it should have popped up here. But these are some daily recommended ideas for me. How to use Microsoft Word and Excel to create profitable digital So this is it. This is a cool idea for me, right? I can click on this. So I've saved this idea now. It's now displayed among my saved ideas. So yeah, it is pretty lovely, right? So these are some digital creators that have made some videos about this, right? This one, share has 13k on this. How I made 13k dollars in 60 days. 183, 181k, 293k, 205. So you can see this. It's pretty amazing. So this is the coach. This one is you have to, okay, I think, okay, you can come on here and ask this coach any questions, right? So let's say give me 5 video ideas about let's say money. Yeah, so this is me. So you can see this, like, this is really lovely, really demure. Really demure, like really encouraging, really good, really nice. So here are 5 engaging video ideas related to money. 10 simple ways to save money every month. Investing for beginners. So this is it. This is it. So this is the competitors. If you, I don't have much I don't have competitors at all. I'm just looking up to some good people. Some people I'm looking up to, like Guy Dream, Trevor Nace, MD Tech Videos. I know one day, yeah, our channel will automatically do some good numbers. For now, let's keep grinding. Let's keep showing up every day. I know one lucky day everything would be really amazing, right? So these are some of the people I'm looking up to in this space as regards to the how to niche. So especially this young man, Guy Dream. So the SEO tool, you can get the book SEO, but you need to upgrade to premium, right? You can get the channel wide tags. So not sure I'll be needing this. The subscribers, not sure I'll be needing this as well. The learn, if you want to learn personally, you can learn from the professionals, right? So these are some professionals you can learn from: Rob Wilson, Eric, Tommy Dagla, right? So these are the professionals you can learn from. So let's say I want to learn from this dude or from this man, right? Because he's very good in the game.
There it is.
So
The old
this is
trash
Eric.
truck. That's
If
where we're
you know
gonna.
Eric on YouTube, you notice that he's really amazing. So I do watch his videos with Mr. Beast, which with Mr. Wiz the Boss, and a whole lot of them that are really doing well in this space. So this is it. If you want to upgrade, you can choose a plan. 12 months, you'd pay just $9. A month, you'd pay $24, right? So once you have unlocked everything, you'd get access to unlimited video ideas, unlimited thumbnail generation, unlimited, like, there's a whole lot of things for you if you'd upgrade to the pro version, right? So this is my plans as regards to this channel. You'd come on here. Okay, not this. I think not this. This is my account settings, channel settings. So this is it. How do we do? You can see my achievements. Our channel, we are gradually growing. Yeah, we are growing gradually, right? Everything will be amazing with time, right? For now, let's just keep doing the needful, uploading some wonderful videos for you guys to keep watching, educating you guys, right? So we are gradually doing it. We are gradually doing some good numbers. So if you have any questions as regards to anything, if you found this video helpful or you want to share your thoughts as regards to anything, share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the next one. Thank you guys for hanging around till now. Now. I want to appreciate the support as always. It's been an amazing journey with you guys. Thank you guys for showing up, for watching my videos. I really appreciate that. I know one day everything will be better, right? Everything will be amazing. Everything would come to work finally for us, and we will all celebrate as one family. If If you got any questions, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.